Hello guys, welcome to another video in the series of coding. Today we are going to solve the problem which is called capacity to ship packages within D days. So you are given an array of n weights. You have to find the least weight capacity of a boat to ship all weights within D days, and you have to load the weights in the given order. Okay, let's try to take an example to understand. Suppose these are the loads that you have. You need a boat. You have to find the minimum capacity of the boat to take all the weights. Okay, and you will be given some number of days. Let's take a simple example. Let's say number of days is 1. In this case, within 1 day you have to ship all the goods, so you have no option but to package all the goods into the boat on the same day and take all of them. So 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20. Okay, so in this case the capacity is equal to 20. The answer is 20 in this case. Okay, let's say that the number of days that you have is equal to 5. In that case you have option, right? In that case you have option because you have to at least carry the goods one on each day, right? So in this case you can divide into 5 partitions and you will be able to get the weight. Now see, if you take a boat of small size, let's say you take a boat of capacity 3, so you will be able to ship the first good but you will not be able to ship the next good. Okay, because if you try to put a 5 kg weight in a boat that can only carry 3 kgs, your boat is going to break. So in this case you will not be able to get the required load. So you need a boat that is able to at least carry the weight of the maximum package. So if you take a boat of 6 kg, you can carry all the possible packages. So on the day 1 you can carry the 3 kg package, day 2 you can carry 5 kg, day 3 4 kg, day 4 6 kg, and day 5 2 kgs, and you can easily ship all the packages, right? So the minimum value, right, that you need, the lowest possible minimum value you need is at least the max element in the given array. Okay, so in this case the max element is 6, so at least you need a boat with capacity 6. Okay, now what is the highest that you need? Highest we discussed just before. In the worst case scenario you have no other choice. If the number of days is given 1, you will have to carry all of them on day 1, right? So the highest that you need is 20 kgs in this particular answer. Okay, what if you are given some other days? Let's say you are given days equal to 2. In that case you have options, right? For example, you can choose to carry only package 3 on day 1 and remaining packages on day 2. In this case what will be your answer? In this case, for day 1 you need only a 3 kg boat, but for day 2 you need 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 2 17, 17 kg boat. This may not be the optimal answer because let's say you try to take 2 packages on day 1, right? So in the first time we found 17 kg. Let's see if we are getting a better value. So what if you partition it in this way? 3 plus 5 is 8, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So if you just take a boat of capacity 12 kg, you can carry all the goods, right? So instead of 17 you have a better answer which is 12 kg if you partition it like this, right? But we don't know if that is the best possible answer. You can maybe have a better answer also by partitioning it in different possible ways, right? So you can try all the partitions and try to find out the answer. So you can try doing a partition like this, partition like this, partition like this, partition like this, and try finding out the answer. This is the brute force brute force approach to try to find the answer. Okay, but this approach is very costly, especially when you are given large number of days. For example, if the number of days is 3, you will have to try all the partitions. For example, this is one possible partition, in this case 3, and for day 2 you will need 9, and for day 3 you will need 8 kg. So in this case the answer will be 9 kg, right? If this is the optimal answer. But you can have other possible partitions also. For example, if you take this, you need 8 kg, here you need 4 kg, and here you need 8 kg. So you are getting a better answer by partitioning this way. In that case you will need only 8 kg boat. So you can try all the possible different partitions, but that is a brute force approach and it's very costly. So one hint here is that we know the low and the high values, right? So always our answer will range between low and high. So let us try to find out our answer using this low and high values, right? So one way is to do a linear search, right? So one way is to search linearly. We know that the answer is 6 kg and minimum answer is 6 kg and highest possible answer that you can have is 20 kg, right? So you can start by trying for 6 kg and see if you are getting the required answer. Let's take an example to understand, okay? Let's say that we start by assuming that the answer is 6 kg. Let's count the number of days. So if you take answer is equal to 6 kg, you will need to carry the package 3 on day 1. You cannot carry package 2 on day 1 because then it will become 8 kg. Next, you will need to carry package 5 on day 2. You cannot carry these two together because it will become 9 kg, which will exceed 6 kg, right? You will need to similarly carry package 4 on day 3, and you will need to carry package 6 on day 4, and you will need to carry package 2 on day 5. So if the answer is 6 kg, right, you will need 5 days, but you have only 3 days. So in this case, your logic is going to fail, right? So 6 is not the answer, okay? 6 is not the answer. If 6 is not the answer and your answer is anywhere between 6 to 20, you will try to increment your answer and try to carry more load, okay, so that you find the answer within 3 days. You want to find the answer within 3 days. So the next option is to increment the answer. So try it for 7 kg. Let's try for 7 kg. What is the number of days we are getting? So you can carry this on day 1. You can carry this on day 2, and you can carry this on day 3, and this one on day 4, and this one on day 5. Okay, again the answer is 5 days. So it is wrong because you have to carry the load within 3 days. Okay, so let us try to increment again. Let's check for 8 kg. So now you can carry these two packages on day 1 because 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, and you can carry this package on day 2, and you can carry this package on day 3. So now your answer is 3 days, and since your answer is 3 days, it is satisfying the condition of 3 days. So the minimum possible load is 8 kg. Okay, so what we did, we basically did a linear search, right? So we did a linear search starting from 6. We had the option of going from 6 to 20. So 6 was not the answer, 7 was not the answer. At 8 we found our answer. Okay, so this problem, now the intuition to solve this problem is very simple. See, whenever you have a range low and you have to check from low to high, right? If you do a linear search, the time complexity will be checking from O of high minus low. Okay, but you can improve this time complexity to log of high minus low. Instead of doing a linear search, do a binary search. Okay, that will be better because in binary search you reduce the search space by half each time. So in log iterations, okay, so this will become the time complexity to find out the answer. Okay, but also in each iteration you are also summing up the elements and trying to find the answer. So the overall time complexity will be n into log of high minus low in this case. Okay, let's do a binary search quickly and let's try to reach the answer. Okay, so low is 6, high is equal to 20. So what is your mid value? 6 plus 20 is 26. Half of 26 is equal to 13. So mid value is 13. Let's check for the answer of 13. Okay, so if we try for 13, 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So you can carry this on day 1, and 6 plus 2 is 8. You can carry on day 2. So you know that if you are checking for 13 kgs, only within 2 days you will be able to carry the load, but you want to minimize the load, right? You want to minimize the load and you still have extra days. See, why do you want to unnecessarily have a boat of larger size, okay, when you can decrease the size and you have still more days, right? More options are available. So you should decrement the size. Okay, so if you decrement the size, if you minimize the weight of the boat, maybe you can get a better possible answer. So in this case, since 13 is giving us the answer of 2, 13 is also a good possible answer, right? So we can store 13, but we can get a better answer than 13 because 13 is also satisfying the condition. It is giving us the answer within 2 days and 2 is less than equal to 3. It is very good, but we have to minimize the answer. We have to try to decrement the answer. So our range was initially 6 to 20. We took 13. So now let us try to take within the search space. Let us reduce the search space. So we will decrease the search space and our search space will reduce from 6 to 12 and try to get an answer anywhere within this range. So now our low is 6 and our high is 12 and our mid is 6 plus 12 by 2, which is 18 by 2, which is 9. Okay, so our mid is equal to 9. Now let us try to calculate for 9 kg what is the answer. 3 plus 5 is 8, so you can take these on day 1. 4 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 6 you cannot take because it will exceed 9 kg, so you will have to take only 4 kg on day 2 and you will have to take 6 plus 2, which is 8 kgs on day 3. So in this case also your answer is 3 days, so it is very good, but you can still try to decrement the answer. So we have got a better answer is 9 kg. Let us still try to see if we can reduce the answer. Okay, so our answer is 9. As of now we will save 9 and we will reduce our search space. So our search space was initially 6 to 12. 9 is also giving us the answer, so now we can reduce the search space and we can check within 6 to 8. Okay, so our low is 6 and our high is 8 now. So our mid value will be 7. So mid value is going to be 7 and let us check for 7. So for 7 kg we check. You cannot carry these two weights together because it will exceed the capacity. So this is day 1, this is day 2, and this is day 3, and this is day 4, and this is day 5. So for 7 kg you need 5 days, right? You need 5 days if you have 7 kg of load with 7 kg capacity of boat with you. So this is not the answer. Okay, so our search space is 6 to 8, so we know that 7 is definitely not the answer. So 6 can also never be the answer, because if you reduce the value you may get a worse answer. You may need even more days, right? So this side of the search space is reduced. We are only left with 8 and we have already checked, right? So the mid is 8, right? So the low and high both are 8 now. Okay, so in this case we have already checked that the answer for 8 kg is 3 days. 4 is also, so this will be your final logic. So within 3 days you will be able to carry all the weights, and the minimum possible weight with which you can do is 8 kg. So this is the logic, right? And let's see the code now. So the code is simple. See, the low and the high that we started with was, see, what was the low and high that we started? We started with 6 and 20, right? Low was 6 and high was 20, because at least you need right, in the worst case also possible scenario, right, you at least need the maximum size. Okay, this is the max element in the array, and in the worst case the highest you need is the sum of all possible weights. Okay, this is the case when the number of days is equal to 1. This is the case when the number of days is equal to the size of the array. So this is the condition which you need at least. So that's what I am taking, the sum of all the elements in the array, and that is the worst possible answer, the highest answer that you can have, and the lowest answer is the maximum element in the array. So I am just iterating over the array once and finding out the maximum element, and that is my low value. Now I am doing the proper binary search. So this is the binary search code. While low is less than equal to high, keep calculating the mid. What is the advantage? Within log of high minus low iterations you will be able to, okay, this code is just log of high minus low. You can do a linear search also, but linear search will be high minus low. We need log, and log time complexity is much better, right? So this is the code for that. Now inside each time I am calling a function that is going to run n times, so the total time complexity will be this much. So what I am doing, I am calculating the mid. I am calling the function and checking the number of days, right, that the function is returning. So let's see the function. So basically the function was just doing what we discussed, right? So the function, for example, here for 8 kg we were calculating how many days it needs, and it was giving us that it needs 3 days, right? So the function is just going to check the number of days that we need to carry the given possible weight. So if mid is equal to, let's say, 8 kgs, so we iterate over the array. Whenever our sum is going to exceed, right, we need an extra day. So we'll keep on incrementing the sum till our sum is less than equal to mid. Whenever our sum becomes greater, then we'll reset the sum, okay, and we will increase the number of days. So this is the simple logic. So it will return the number of days, and if the number of days is less than equal to the given condition, right, for example, for 8 kg, the number of days that we get is 3, and if D is equal to 3, right, in this case it will satisfy the answer. So 8 is a possible answer, so we will return true, so that here we can save the answer. So 8 will become as the potential candidate for answer. Okay, but we want to minimize this, right? Our goal is to minimize the load. So next time we will try to decrement the high value, so we will try to reduce the mid, right? So next time we will try to check, for example for 7, we will try to reduce the high and see if 7 is also the answer. So this is the logic. If this condition is not satisfied, we will just increase the low value, and finally we will return the answer. So that's it. Let's submit and see if it's working. So it's working. That's it. Thank you for being patient and listening.